Hello you guys, we're gonna get started with a Bebe Rexa cardio and toning class. We're gonna start with a little reach right, left, 2 booty rolls. Starting with cardio today, we'll move into a little bit of weight work and just alternate between the two. Reach, reach, roll. Keep it going. Yes, up. Last time. You got it. Slide to the right. Just push right and left. For 2. Good. We're going to take a little chug. Right for 2. Left for 2. Little chug. Using that elbow. Pull it back to 4. 3. Stay with me. 2. Really taking a lot of travel steps. We're going to grapevine. Right. And left. High energy, elevating that heart rate. You got 4. You got 3. 2. Back to the top. We step, touch, right, left, roll. Yes. Booty, booty work. Woo. Keep it going. 4 more like this. 3. Last time. Get ready to take that slide. Big push right. Big push left. For 2. We chug it to the right. Let's go. Whew. You got it. We have 4. 3. 2. Good, grapevine. Here we go. Right. And left. Yes. So strong. So fierce. 4. Really attack each movement. Last 2. And 1. We reach it high. Yes. Catch your breath. Woo. Stay with me now, we're almost there. Pull. Yes. Came out of nowhere. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go, we got 4. 3. 2. Really take up space. Grapevine, here we go. You did it. You made it. First song, last 2, last one. Grab your weights. I'm using 5-pound weights for today's workout. We are gonna take our feet slightly wider than your hips. Option to turn them out ever so slightly. Drop the weights, roll your shoulders back, engage your core. Just squat and lift slow. Squat, push it up, down, up. All right, so little contrast here. We were just moving nice and fast, so you should feel your heart rate. Nice and high, down, press. We have 2. Now you're gonna hold it low, little drop, down and up, down, lift. Nice and small, proud chest, core tight. Last 2, hold it low, pull the elbows, up and up. Pull, pull, you got it. 4, 3, 2, we're gonna pulse down 3 times. Down, 2, 3, press it up. 1 more time, 3 pulses. Lift it up, just drop and lift. Squeeze, down, squeeze. Woo! Inhale, exhale, 4 more, full range. Lift, 3, lift, 2. We're really focusing on those glutes. Hold it low, drop and lift. Take it down, little lift, little lift. Zip up your core. 4, 3, 2, row it back, elbows lift. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3 pulses. Sink it down. 3, 2. Option to snatch those arms up. Pulse. 3, 2. Snatch it up. Drop and lift. Down. Lift. Good. Really pressing back into those heels. Back. Lift. 4 more. 3 more. Are you breathing? Pulse it at the bottom. Drop and lift. Down. Up. Down. Up. Nice and small. A 1-inch movement here. 4, 3. Ooh, feel the burn. Hold it low. Roll those elbows. 8. 4, 3. We're gonna do 3 pulses and then reach those weights. 3 drops. 3, 2. Send the arms up. Drop. 3, 2, 1. Arms up. 3, 2, 1. Last time here. 3, 2. Big push overhead. Drop. Oh my goodness, y'all. Back into some dancing. You're gonna bring those elbows up, lift and twist. And then you're gonna flick to the right, flick to the left. Sitting is that little booty. Flick it, sit. I love this song. Woo! Keep it going. Up, up, flick, flick. 2 more sets. Last time. You got it. We're gonna take it up overhead. We go up, down, up, then pop it 4 times. Up, down, up. That's it, y'all. Let's go. Last time. All right, we're gonna change it up. We're gonna pony to the right. Pony, pony. Go out, out, in, pony, pony, out, out, in. That's it. 80. Push it out. Bring it in. Pony, pony, out, out, in. 4 more. Push and squeeze. Woo. Let's go for 2. So good. Last time. All right, y'all. We're gonna lift and twist to the left this time. Lift, lift. Sit in that hip. Lift. Really twisting in that torso. Feel your obliques. Get nice and warm. Keep it going. Up, up, flick, flick. Last 2. Last one. And then you reach it up to the top. Toss it up right here. Up. Option to add that little jump if it feels good. Up. Breathe. Pop, pop. Last time. We're going to take that pony to the left side. Here we go. Pony. Left. Right. Push out. Pull in. Left. Right. Push out. Pull in. Party. Party. Push. You got it. Pony. Maybe take those arms a little straighter. Finish strong. We got 4. Push. Squeeze. 3. Let it go. Here's your 2. Last one. Lift, twist. Up, up, flick. Are you breathing? You're right at the end of the song. Finish strong, finish proud. I'm with you. Last 2. And 1. Whew. Grab those weights. 1 more set of toning. Are you ready? Bring your feet parallel. Soften in the knees, core tight. Drop those weights. You're gonna bicep curl. Up, press, down, lower, up, press, down. Keep it going. Finding those biceps, finding our shoulders. 1 more time. Hold it right here, palms to the front. You're gonna serve it up. For 2, slight bend in our elbows. Try to keep your upper body nice and still, it's hard. You wanna go backwards. So fight that momentum. Hold it at the bottom, flip the palms. You're gonna hinge forward and then lift, lift, lift. Push into your heels, flat back. Lower and lift. Lower. 4 more, full range down. Working our hammies, working our glutes. Last 2. Sticking that booty out. Last one. Back into the curl, the overhead press. Here we go. Curl, press, bend, lower. You got it. Curl. Option to add a knee lift to alternating sides. So right knee up and switch. Good. Two. Last one, let's go. We're gonna serve the platter. Keep your upper body right where it is. Serve it up for 2. So I was trying to say before is don't lean back. Fight that momentum and keep your body stable. Squeeze your core, palms up, bend those elbows slightly. Last one. Back into that drop, flip the palms. Let's drop. Down for 2. Lift for 2. Push it back. Lift it up. Down and up. Lower. 4 more. 3. Last 2. Finish with a bang. You're right at that finish line. We're gonna go back into those bicep curls. Flip your palms, curl, in, press, down, lower, good, curl, press, option to add that knee lift, here we go, knee, press, curl, drop. Last time, finish it off, even it out, and breathe. Oh my gosh, you guys, it flew by. All right, you bring those feet a little wider than your hips, bend your knees, cooling us down a little bit, stack the palms. There it is. You're going twist, twist, double twist. So it's single, single, double. And I'm finding a crunch, crunch in my core. Woo, find an exhale. We're moving a little slower to bring the heart rate down a little bit, focusing in on our core. Little arm work here. Press the palms up, down. Carving that little half moon. Squeeze through the biceps, through the chest, through the shoulders. Good. Hold it center, we squeeze. 4, 3, tapping those wrists. Hold it out, little lift, up and down. Can you push those arms a little further back? Good, back to the twist.
I don't mean to be so uptight, but my heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat me right. I ain't gonna lie, 'cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of, boy,
I love this part. Don't you know you're beautiful? Yes, back to that half moon. What a banger. It's so good. Woo. Keep it going. 4, 3. We're gonna bring it into the chest. Tap your wrist. 4 sets. Go. 4, 3. Hold it out. Lift it up, down, little soft. Good. Back to the twist. Double. See where this thing goes. Use your core. Whew. We got 4, 3, 2. We're gonna hit the half moon again. Last time. Reach it up. Half moon. Tap it in the center. Here we go. See where this thing goes. Hold here. Lift. Lift. Let's do that one more time. Squeeze the chest 4 times. 4, 3. those arms should be burning. Mine are. Hold it out. Lift. 4, 2, and release. Give yourself a round of applause, you guys. I hope you had fun today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you did. I love to hear from you, and we'll see you back on the dance floor soon.